How to fix Uber driver unable to authenticate on device. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, click on App Info. Then scroll down and search for Uber. After you find Uber driver, click on Uber driver. Here, click on Storage and Cache. Then click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. After you do that, if it still does not work, you can restart your device if you want. Another thing what you can also do is open Play Store and search Uber driver. Then press on Uninstall. Press on Uninstall and install the app again and log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Uber driver unable to authenticate on device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.